Hello, everyone. Thank you for watching this second part of our video as we go over equivalent ratios. And this time, we're not necessarily using tape diagrams, but if you like them and you understand them and you want to use them, I strongly encourage you. Remember, a tape diagram shows the ratio with boxes, and it's a great way to show that the same number is in all the boxes. So again, I want you on slide 1, just read those words. Very important to read and be familiar. Tomorrow, you're going to copy those into your math notebook. So if you don't have your math notebook, that's okay. I can deliver that to you, or you can do it when you get back to school, whatever you need. Maybe you could do that on a makeup time, or if you choose, you might stay for tutoring, and then you could copy those words during tutoring time, or we could work out something. Just let me know. I can create equivalent ratios is our I can statement. So here you are watching tape diagrams part 2. We've already gone over our bell ringers, and now we get into just the practice problems. These are very similar to what we did yesterday. The numbers are different. So prove 3 to 5 is equivalent. It has the same value, has the same pattern that could get you up to 15 to 25. Now, if 3 has to become what number? This 3 is equivalent to what number in this ratio? 15. So you put a 5 in each of the boxes. 5, 10, 15. And if 5 goes in all of those boxes, we know that 5 has to go in all of the boxes. Why? Because they're equivalent. If that's going on in this box, it's got to come down here in these boxes down at the bottom. Okay? So 5, this takes me a minute because I'm holding slow. 5 and 5. Now look, you see how these 3 boxes are now worth 15? 5, 10, 15. You see how these 5 boxes down here, 5 boxes become 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. All right, so that's how you prove it. That now instead of each box being worth 1, each box is now worth 5. Yoda soda is an intergalactic party drink that will have your friends saying, good this is. Okay, that's my Yoda voice. You are throwing a party. You need 5 liters of Yoda soda. 5 liters of Yoda soda for every 36 guests. So, or for every 12 guests. 5 liters of Yoda soda for every 12 guests. If you have 36 guests, how many liters of Yoda soda do you need? How does 12 guests become 36 guests? What would you have to multiply? See, it's multiplicative. 12 times what is 36? 12 times 3 is 36. So what is 5 times 3? 15. So you would put 15 liters, because 15 liters to 36 guests would be the equivalent to 5 to 12. This next one says Justin's rice pudding recipe calls for 4 cups of rice to make a serving, 1 serving, 4 to 1. So how many servings can Justin make with 16 cups of rice? How does 4 cups of rice times what become 16 cups of rice? 4 times what becomes 16? Times 4. So then a serving is 1, so you would do 1 times 4 to get 4 servings of rice pudding. I hope that makes sense. Again, if it doesn't, reach out to me and I will go over it with you. Down here on the next one is very similar to yesterday's. It says Stefan uses 5 cups of sugar for every egg white to make a fluffy white topping for pie. So that fluffy white topping is called a meringue, but I didn't know if you knew what that would mean. So 5 cups of sugar for every egg. Your ratio is 5 cups of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes are there, and 1 egg. So your ratio is 5 to 1. So now he says, if Stefan uses 10 cups of sugar, how many egg whites will he need to use? How does 5 become 10? 5 times what is 10? And then that's what you put in all the boxes. So then that will tell you how many egg whites he needs. Try that one. See if you can do it. If not, reach out and I'll be glad to help you. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you tomorrow.